Hi everyone, welcome to a Brainathon 21 days reading challenge, Read to Get Rich. And this video basically I'm going to explain what exactly this 21 days challenge and what exactly you are going to take action every day and what are the quick guidelines. I'm going to quickly explain so that you'll understand, and tomorrow onwards we are going to start this challenge. Ready? Okay, let me quickly go through this 21 days curriculum so that you'll understand clearly. Look at my mind map. Now look at this mind map. Okay, so this Brainathon divided into 3 weeks plan. So week 1, week 2, week 3, and these 3 weeks combination of various reading practice habits. This is like a just mini habits. Every day I'm going to give you one simple task related to reading, related to fast reading, related to reading habits. You have to take action. Very simple. And these curriculum you already know as part of initial 21 days brain accelerator challenge. You already learned memorization, speed reading, brain strategy. You already learned here in this Brainathon, especially reading habits. And these 21 days Brainathon basically designed to develop your reading habits, your speed reading. So all the activity what I'm going to give you every day, it is a small tiny habits related to reading. Clear all of you? Yes. So the first week, look at this first week basically you're going to explore various basic fundamental, right? In speed reading we categorize as a three object. One is identify why you need to read books, identify your current reading habits, identify write books. Second level here is understand how you can read faster. Third level here is how you can understand using various strategies. These are the three category. Here also 3 weeks we divided into three different categories. First week, let us explore what are the best books, why you are going to read, what are the basic speed reading concept. Let us explore. Second week is we'll try to improve your speed using various strategy, various deep learning strategy. You're going to improve your speed. First and second week you need to focus more on how you can improve your speed. No worry about understanding, because this time follow systematically whatever I'm giving instruction, just follow. Within 21 days you will see some magic. Cool. Okay, week 3 we're going to explore how we can understand in that speed. For example, let us take your speed. Currently it is 200 words per minute, and if you reach 400 words per minute, with that speed how we can understand any concept. So week 3 we're going to explore more those concepts. And the last day, let me just zoom it. Last day, let us explore how we can read literally any book in one sitting. Okay, it's a mega challenge, super challenge. And so we have done so far around 3 batches. Everybody on particular day, last day, they completed one book in one sitting. 1 hour 15 minutes. You'll also experience that. For that you need to have a complete preparation from day 1 till day 21. And also last day, once you are done, let us celebrate, inspire others. All this activity we're going to do on day 21. So these are the 21 days challenge from day 1 till 21. And every Sunday we'll not be having any challenges. However, you're going to relax and read, and you need to have a 3 to 4 books. I'm going to explain what is that guidelines. Okay, this is the basic fundamental what we are going to use in Brainathon. Quick guidelines. Let me walk you through quick guidelines. The first one, you should have a clear commitment. So you should have a clear commitment to start with this. If you are very busy starting from tomorrow, do not join. Probably you can exit and you can join next batch. If you are ready to take action tomorrow onwards till 21 days, just every day 30 to 45 minutes. That's all expectation from this curriculum. The first one is a commitment, 30 to 45 minutes. Best time to practice this activity, my strong suggestion here is early morning. So 5:30 every day, just get up and practice this activity along with other thing, because as part of our initial read for success you have already learned morning routine, either exercise, deep breathing, relaxation, reading books. Instead of reading books, follow whatever I am giving. Okay, so 5:30 is the best time, and start with this activity. Then share your progress every day. I'm going to share one Facebook link. Please join that Facebook every day. Once you completed that particular task, it's a very small task. So go to Facebook and please post your results. Please post your comments. End of day, every day you must do it. That is the tracking mechanism. We're going to track how you are going to post everyday activity. Make sure that you just post. In case if you are not posting, that means you are not done that particular task. So again, we have some penalty section here. In case if you are not able to do that particular task, you have to pay 250 rupees per day as a penalty. And whatever penalty we are collecting, we are straight away giving it to charity. So that's what we are following so far. Okay, this is the quick guidelines what you need to do it. Before that, you need at least 4 books. Every week you are going to read 1 book. 3 weeks, 3 books, and last day is a mega challenge. You're going to read 1 more book. So I need 4 books, whichever book you feel, but make sure that you pick up simple book, simple non-fiction book, simple story books. Don't go with a complicated. Again here, no technical books, no complicated book, simple story book, simple non-fiction book. Clear? Yes. What exactly you can expect from this Brainathon? Look at this. Your speed by default, it will become double. By default, if you follow this instruction from day 1 to day 21, immediately within 21 days, you'll be able to see those changes. Then read 1 book a week. You adopt that habit. So because again, reading 1 book a week is a habit. You will adopt that because we are going to do that activity. Next, you will develop habit of reading any book in 1 sitting. So again, it's a mind change. It's all a mind game. We are going to practice this activity as part of this 21 days so that you feel that yes, I can do any book. I can read any book in 1 sitting. So these are the advantage. This is our 4th batch. From past 3 batch, we have noticed our member felt really great about this initiative because they developed habit of reading faster, habit of reading 1 book a week, even 1 sitting 1 book. So far we have completed 3 batches. This is our 4th Brainathon, and the members who are part of our earlier batches, they did a great job. Even after they completed, they realized yes, we can read 1 book in 1 sitting, not even 1 week. So that kind of mindset you will develop. So this is the beautiful and powerful strategy. But make sure that you need to follow this instruction every day. Tiny habits. You don't need to worry about too much into learning practice. It's all tiny, but make sure that do not delay, just practice. And every week we have some kind of a reward section. You need to reward yourself. And also if you are not taking action, again, there is a penalty. So that's what the strong structure we are planning to do it. And so going forward, I'm going to explain each and every day and make sure that early morning 5:30 get up and finish this activity. So thank you so much for joining this Brainathon. Definitely you will enjoy this process. The first day content I'm going to share tomorrow at 5:30 a.m. and the content will be in the form of video or audio or even simple text message. I'm going to share every day, but make sure that you take action. With that, wish you all the best. Tomorrow I'll share the first set of content to start with. Okay, all the best, and I'll meet you next Saturday. Let us meet and let us review this process. Wish you all the best.